Crews are back out along the Snake River near Twin Falls, and they're working to kill off quagga mussels that were first found last September. Last year's treatment killed off a significant amount of the mussels, but more were found last month. Our Jude Binkley shows us how crews are fighting off the invasive species.
For the second year in a row, an aggressive treatment is flowing into the Mid-Snake River near Twin Falls to kill off the invasive quagga mussels that threaten Idaho's waterways, irrigation, and recreation. A copper-based treatment is once again flowing into the Mid-Snake River 1 year after an initial round of treatment.
So we did the first ever of its kind in the country, especially of this scope,
which was followed by extensive sampling.
We did genetic confirmation and found a much smaller infestation or presence of mussels here than last year, but certainly found some here. So immediately went into that mode of knowing that we needed to treat again.
This year, the Idaho State Department of Agriculture is treating parts of the river further upstream after 2 quagga mussel samples were found in the reservoir above the Twin Falls Dam.
The treatment area is from the top of the Twin Falls, the reservoir behind Twin Falls Dam, down through Centennial Park.
The ISDA is using an aggressive formula called Natrix to try and kill off the rest of the invasive mussels that pose a threat to the environment.
They will really outcompete anything if left unchecked and allowed to establish. So they'll have a significant impact on food availability for the entire aquatic system.
The 10-day-long treatment started on Tuesday with metered boxes placed at key mixing points along the river, which will release a consistent flow of treatment into the water. The ISDA is also doing a second round of treatment in November, which wasn't done last year, to clear out quagga mussels from deep pools in the river.
We think there's between 80 or 90 of those that we've been able to map so far. They are what's left after the high water recedes.
Last year's treatment killed a significant number of fish in the Mid-Snake River. Fish mortality is expected again, especially in the section of river that wasn't treated last year. The ISDA says they need to act aggressively to stop a potential crisis that could cost the state hundreds of millions of dollars.
This is certainly an issue, and it's a visible distraction from folks that want to enjoy the river. It's a financial toll right now. It's a toll on our folks that are going to spend 2 weeks down here on the project. But that's a small investment to what the damage could be that would be caused by these mussels if they were left unchecked.
Access to the Snake River is closed between Hanson Bridge and Broken Bridge, and the treatment is expected to dissipate to normal copper levels as it moves about 18 miles downstream toward Kanaka Rapid. In Twin Falls, Jude Binkley, Idaho's News Channel 7.